Let's look at how to connect computers and install software. LaserGRBL MAX is equipped with a shield. Laser will not be dazzling. Precautions 1. When using the kit version of the machine, don't remember to close the protective cover before starting the laser operation. When the protective cover is opened, the laser module will immediately stop laser output. The indicator light will continuously blink at a speed of 0.2 seconds. Close the protective cover and the laser will return to normal output. The indicator light will continuously blink at a speed of 0.5 seconds. Precaution 2. Before operating the machine, please place a piece of iron sheet or another material with higher hardness as a cushion. Then place the honeycomb panel inside, so it won't damage the desktop during cutting. Precaution 3. Always wear safety goggles during engraving to prevent eye discomfort from direct laser exposure. Now, let's take a look at how to use the machine's buttons. This is the emergency stop button. Turn it to the right to release the button, and the machine will enter the reset state. When the button is pressed, the machine's power will be immediately cut off, and it will completely stop operating. This is the child safety lock key. Turn the key to the right to lock the machine and disable operation. If there are children at home, it is recommended to lock the machine when not in use to ensure safety. Turn the key to the left to start the machine. Now let's connect the machine. Take out the machine's power adapter. This is a 24-volt power supply. Plug it into the corresponding port. This is a dual-head data cable. Connect the Type-C port to the corresponding port on the machine. The USB connector is plugged into the computer's USB port. Then plug in the machine. Turn on the emergency stop switch and the power switch in sequence. The machine is now connected to the computer. Now, let's begin installing the software. Remove the SD card from the device. Take the card reader from the accessory box and insert the SD card into the reader. Then insert it into the computer. Open the USB drive. Copy the information inside. Save it to your own computer and create a new folder in advance. Paste the files you just copied from the USB drive into the newly created folder. Open the old file for Windows folder. Open the old LaserGRBL folder. Click on this file to start the software installation. This is a desktop shortcut. A prompt to update the software appears. Click Cancel. The software is now installed. First, we need to install the drivers so that the computer can connect to the machine. Click on Tools and select CH340 driver to start the installation. The driver installation was successful. Next, click on My Computer, then right-click and select Properties. Locate Device Manager and open it. Click on Ports, and you will see CH340COM8, which is the COM port number of the machine. The machine has successfully connected to the computer if both the computer and software display the COM port number. The number after the COM port may differ on each computer drive. The information before CH340 is the same. After the driver installation is complete, let's take a look at how to use and configure the software. When the software is not connected to the machine, the icon here will appear gray. When you click the lightning button in the software and it changes to a red X button, that indicates a successful connection. Once the software successfully connects to the device, the icon below will appear in color. This is the manual command. You can enter any G-code here. This is the time spent during the carving process. This is the command log, which displays few commands and their execution status. This is the movement control area dashboard. You can move it left, right, up, and in other directions. The software currently shows error in the bottom right corner. To achieve a stable engraving effect, please import the default machine.configuration file in the TF card into LaserGRBL before engraving. The configuration file corresponding to LaserGRBL is LaserGRBL configuration.nz. Now, let's begin importing the file. Click File in the menu bar. Select Open File. In the File Selection dialog that appears, select the target file and click Open. Parameters setting a brightness, contrast, white clip. This is the sculpting mode, where you can freely choose. Here, you can set the engraving speed, power, and graphic size according to the material type. Turn on laser for focusing. When you hover the mouse over this bottom comma, tooltip saying turn on laser, focusing 3% will appear. After clicking it, the laser will emit light at 3% power. However, 3% power is usually not insufficient for the device to emit light properly. You can also right-click to modify and select Edit button to edit the dot. Delete the parameter following M3. Enter 150, which represents 15% power output start, and then click Save to apply the settings. Home laser, check the home, serial button. The laser will move forward to the front left. After homing, the full engraving origin is from the front left, and the engraving object needs to be placed along the origin. Before engraving, insert the memory card into the engraving machine to store the engraving content. The parameter settings of the software have been completed, and the files have been imported. Next, we'll focus the engraver. Loosen the laser head. Lower the laser head and loosen the knob by turning it counterclockwise until it touches the surface of the material. Tighten the laser head and the knob. The focusing is now complete. Before engraving, let's take a look at the engraving position first. Click the framing laser on button. This is the run button in the software. Click it, and it turns red. These buttons are only available during engraving. Click the green triangle Run Program button to start carving. Install the LightBurn software. Open the O5 for Windows folder on the USB drive. Locate and open the O3 LightBurn folder. Choose the version that matches your computer's operating system, then click it. Click Next, then click Install, and finally click Next again. The software installation has started. If this is your first time using the software, please select Start Free Trial here to enjoy 1 month free, then click OK. After the software is installed, first click Devices to add a device, then click Create Manual. Find GRBL in the list, click on it, then click Next. This is where you select the connection type, choose USB, then click Next. Here, you can name your laser machine and set the working area dimensions. Our 2 series machines have a working area of 300 mm. After setting it up, click Next, then click Finish, and finally click OK. The device is now added. Then, choose the correct port. Now import the file by clicking File in the menu bar, then selecting Open. Select the target file and click Open. Click on the graphic to select it, then resize as needed. Here, you can modify the dimensions of the graphic. This is the section for adjusting the graphic mode. Click here to adjust the engraving parameters. This is the engraving power. This is the engraving speed. Click Frame to preview the engraving position. Press Start to start engraving.